So the team from India, from the Global Sangam Academy, they brought almost 30 artists actually, and in 4 groups to give a very powerful, vibrant performance about Shiva's cosmic dance. Okay? And when we talk about Tandava, when we talk about this cosmic dance, the Shiva's Damaru, Shiva's rhythm and all these, at the end we know everything that has existing in this universe, the sound form, the rhythm has come through that cosmic dance, from that cosmic rhythm. And from there, all the dance form, the art form has been basically evolved. So that is the basis of all the dances, that what we believe. And if the artists are from India, like we have Pooja ji here, her students will be performing. We have Siddharth ji, okay, he is also here. His team will be here. 2 of his colleagues will be there. Then team from India, they will be performing. So, and our students also. So it's a collaboration of basically India and Balinese culture. And when we relate culture like that, when we connect culture like that, then we realize that somehow, whether it's dance, yoga, art, music, anything, we are similar. Maybe the expression is different, but this is how we are connected. Art is one of the best medium to connect people. So today when we are going to see this performance, I don't want you to see only as an entertainment or just for fun. Try to get the rhythm of the dance, try to get that feeling, that power in the dance, and you'll feel that what the artists are performing here, the same things start happening in you. The artist is like in Bali we call, he basically through takshu, okay? Or in yoga we call drishti. So through the takshu he enter into a different state where the artist is not a normal being. He become that character. He become Shiva. He become Parvati. He become Rama. He become Krishna. He become that Deva or Devi. Now, as an audience, we are watching it, so that same kind of phenomena start happening us. So, if you can watch the entire performance like this, it will be very grateful, and for us, it will be justified to bring the people all the way from India and to conduct this program. So, thank you very much, the Bali Art Festival, the team, curator, and everyone for this program. And I welcome all of you here to witness this beautiful performance.